What's up, everybody? It's that time again. We're going to do some cooking. I tried to cut it down a little bit more budget friendly, a little bit more refreshing of a meal tonight. We're going to have fish tacos made a different way. A lot of people use tilapia, a lot of people use cod. I'm going to use salmon. We're going to get everything together. We're going to show you how it's done. Y'all keep watching. Okay, guys. We're going to start with our slaw. We got one head of cabbage, medium cabbage, chopped up, ran it through our shredder, shredded it down. We got that there. We're going to add 3 plum tomatoes, just the outer bit, not the juicy inside. Still got a little bit of juice, but not all of it. 2 large jalapenos, diced with the seeds. It's going to add a little bit of heat to it. 1 red onion, get that in there. And I had a bag of yellow corn, sweet corn. I just thawed out, didn't heat up. And then 2 cans of black beans. It looks like it might be a little too much. So we're going to spoon it in and see how it looks. I'm going to mix that in there. We'll go with that, about 3 large spoonfuls. Looks like maybe a cup of each. And we're going to get our wooden spoon here and get it down in the bowl. Then we're going to come along and we're going to add some salt and pepper. We'll put some salt on there. Then throw some pepper. Then we're going to put some lime juice. Squeeze that on there. However you think it, whatever you think will make it taste good. This is all by feel. So that's all we had in that one. I got another one just in case. This is my first time making it, so this is me trying it. Hold on, I forgot to get a spoon. And of course, I'm going to make a wreck. Then we're going to add mayonnaise. I'm using Blue Plate mayonnaise because if any of y'all know, right now that's the cheapest and it ain't too bad. Kind of like it, but it's way cheaper down here than Hellman's and Kraft and Duke's. And like I said, it don't taste too bad. So we're going to add a couple heaping tablespoons of that. We're going to go ahead right there. That's about 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons. We're going to mix it, see how it looks. Because we're going to add one more thing to it too. We might have did too much cabbage. Probably should have done about a half a head. But we'll make it work. Get that mixed in and incorporated real well. I might add that another tomato. All right, now that we got that mixed around, we're going to add a little bit of crema, Mexican style cream. Hopefully that much. And then I'll get me a taste test spoon. We'll taste test it. Then we'll get this to the refrigerator, get it chilled down. Yeah, now it's starting to look good. Come together. Give me a spoon real quick to taste test it. I think we'd be pretty good there. I forgot one more ingredient. Cilantro. Get that in there and mix it around. Now to give it even better flavor. All right. Mix that all around in there. Got a nice little bit of heat to it. Not too bad. Nice refreshing. It's got a nice little refreshing flavor to it, to tell you the truth. All right, guys, there you have it. There's our slaw. We'll get this closed up into the refrigerator while we get everything ready and do our taco meat. Y'all keep watching. All right, guys, before we put this slaw away, I had a thought that might set this off even better. We're going to put the last of our little bit of tahini in there. Mix that around. Get that mixed in, see how it tastes. Taste it, see what it tastes like. I believe that hits the spot right there. That tahini set it off. Now we're going to get this in the refrigerator, get it ready, get our tacos ready. This is going to be pretty damn good. All right, guys. So what I got here is 3 cans of pink salmon. Ain't really pink anymore, but got 3 cans of it. Now you could cook this or not. It's up to you. So what we're going to do is I got a couple tablespoons of olive oil in the pan heating up. We're going to throw it in there. We're going to heat it up real quick because it's just how I feel I want it. And what we're going to do is go ahead and dump it in there. We drained it, we deboned it to the best of our knowledge, because everybody who knows that messes with that, them little damn bones are hard to get out. Little backbones. So we got it in there. Now that we got it in there, we're going to add a little bit more lime juice to it. Then we're going to come in with taco seasoning. I'm doing 2 packs of taco seasoning. And then we're going to boil this around and mix it good while it's heating up. Then we'll keep heating this up and mixing it together. We might add some more lime juice to it, or maybe a touch of water. Let me get a touch of water. I'll be right back. All right, we're going to add a little bit of water to it. Mix it around some more. So we know that taco seasoning gets mixed into it real well. And you could use fresh cod, tilapia, and all that. Like I said, I was trying to go a little bit on the cheaper side. These are $9 a can, $8 to $9 a can for the salmon. And where cod and all that's running about $15.99 a pound. And this should be enough to feed me and my wife and my 2 big ones, and the little one, he's going to be picky, so we got him a pizza. Give this a taste test real quick. Yep, that 2 packs is good enough. Don't want to overdo the flavor on it. Mix it together a little bit more. Some of it ain't there. Add a little bit more lime juice. All right, we're done there. We got it mixed in. We'll get this mixed in a little bit more, and then we'll get over here and show you how we plate it. All right, guys, we're going to show you how we make this taco. We got 2 quart tortillas here because anybody that knows they fall apart, we try to eat out of them. So we're going to take some of our fish taco seasoning mixture here, put it in there along the bottom. Still pretty warm. Then I got some Mexican 4-cheese blend, Kraft. Gonna put it all there. Then we're gonna come in with our slaw. Got a tablespoon of it. Put it on top there. 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna add a little bit of cream. Maybe. Right down the middle there. A little black olive. And a little bit of cilantro. And then there you have it. Nice little taco. We'll fold it up here. And then we'll go over and do our, it ain't gonna stay, but then we'll go over and do our taste test to see how it is. Y'all keep watching. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna give it a taste test. Our refreshing fish taco, I guess is how you'd say it, with our salmon in a can. Get it folded up here. Make sure I got my plate alert so these tortillas go and stuff fall on the plate instead of the floor. Let's give her a taste test, see how she turns out. It's pretty good. The slaw took over, but the slaw tastes damn good, so that I'm not complaining. I'm getting a little hint of the fish flavor on the bottom, but other than that, it's pretty damn good. Make a good meal. Do it together. I watched a couple videos about it. Made it happen for me. Made it the way I wanted it. So there you have it, guys. Refreshing fish taco with salmon in a can. Like I said, you could use cod, tilapia, catfish, whatever fish you want to use. You could even fry up some shrimp, put it in there. That would be good too. But there you have it, guys. And remember, getting the kids to try to cook. I know times are rough, stuff's expensive, but you can make something happen out of a little bit and all that. Remember, if you ain't making it, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it. Sorry, guys. Got that a little bit backwards. It's been a little while. Father's Day threw me off. Y'all have a good one.